Hey, what's up, traders? Today's Monday, January 9th, 8:39 a.m., and here are your morning ideas. Hey, what's up, traders? We have some new things going on this afternoon. If you haven't seen, actually starting this morning, I shouldn't say this afternoon, we have the NFL wildcard weekend, 40 for 40. If you haven't seen that, please go over to the channel and see that 40 for 40 video. We are doing some giveaways, some discounts, and we're going to do this all the way up to the Super Bowl. So there's some fun stuff going on. Let me go over to the screens real quick, and we can talk about what's going on in the market. You can see here we're trading 39.35 big picture. If you look at the daily, look where we are. Look where we're headed. We're headed right back into this highly traded price up here at 39.68. We're trading 39.36. If I pulled up really quick the news for the week, we will see that I believe, we have Powell speaking tomorrow. And then I believe, I thought CPI on Thursday, which is a big market mover. So we got some stuff that can move the market this week as well. And we're going to where our comfort zone in this market. You can see that this is by far the most traded price, 39.68 since May of last year. And we've just kind of been in this range and going right back to this area. What happens at these areas, guys? The areas, when we trade in these thick areas, the market just kind of goes back and forth and chops around a lot and gets stuck to these prices. And that's what it looks like here. I thought that last week, and incorrectly so, that we would probably move away, try to move towards the edges of this area. We're not. We're moving back into the middle of it. And until we can kind of break free of 39.68, 39.70 area, I think that we're in for some more chop here. You can see that if I go back to the intermediate picture, the 4-hour chart, we're trying to move back up into 39.60. You can see that we're coming to 39.60 from below. Balance, move back to a previous area and run into it. This kind of lines up with that 39.60, 39.70, 39.68, 39.70 area that I was just talking about before. And what you'll likely see when we come to these areas is more of like this. You bang into the wall, pull back, try again. If we can't, we'll move back down into the area below. If we can push through 39.61, we'll probably move into 39.70. Chop, maybe do some weird stuff and then try to push back towards 4,000. Okay. And that's the way that these markets auction. And that's why I like trading the ES, because S&P 500 is a thicker product, guys. So it moves with more predictability, in my opinion. If we look at the smaller picture and what we did overnight, to see maybe a more actionable way to look at this market this morning, we are trading near Friday's high. We went back and forth in the overnight, and now we're trending up above. We're hanging out near the second standard deviation. The VWAP is starting to turn up. This tells me that we'll probably take out overnight high off of the open and try to push towards that 39.60 area that I was just talking about here. The 39.60 area, we run into it from below. Lines up with this 39.68 area, 39.70, and then see what happens. If we get hung up in here and we chop, we'll probably try to push through to the other side. If we get hung up in here and we turn back down, we're looking at this area here, 38.90, 38.80 is the longer term target below. That's well below the standard deviation -2 for the daily or for the overnight session. So a lot to chew on there. I think there are two big news events this week that can affect how this market moves. But again, if you haven't watched a video yet about the NFL wildcard weekend, the 40 for 40, please watch that. It will be in a recommended video here after this video. And I think for now that's all. If you guys have any questions, let us know, and we'll talk to you guys all soon.